Hey guys! Get ready for the set of the most creative and groundbreaking games for all occasions and all ages. Today you'll learn how to charge your glowing dice even when the game is already on, and then we'll get to the gaming cubes that are as powerful as a full-size console. So let's get started. Here's a great board game that allows infinite entertainment possibilities with the most simple and intuitive tools. It all starts with blinks, those little magnetic tiles that come together to create a game. Glowing with different bright colors, they create a perfect futuristic look, especially in a dark room. You can rearrange the blinks in lots of different ways as well as choose the game you want to play. They actually support 20 games, and the games library continues to expand. Just press the first blink to choose and activate the game. It's suitable for any number of participants and all kinds of game genres: strategy, puzzle, and more. Playing alone is an option, but friends will never forgive you. We all know traditional boxing is cool and all that, but some people find it too tough and too cruel. So here's a smart game that makes boxing so friendly you can enjoy it with your kids. It's an extension of your arm with a soft pillow bumper. It holds tight with a secure grip and allows you to punch your opponent without hurting or even getting close. Social distancing at its best. There are several integrated sensors that control the arm and adjust the power. Besides, this game is digital. Download a special app and connect the arms to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Here you can create an avatar, start matches, and control your stats. Maximum fun with no damage. You may have heard of Q Workshop, a company that specializes in dice. Now this company has come up with the idea of a dice charger. It's basically a dice cup made of leather, but the interesting part is hidden in the lid. They've integrated a UV light in there so that you could easily charge all your glowing dice no matter the type or the brand. Thanks to the motion detector, your dice will start charging as soon as you shake the cup. After shaking it a couple times, just toss the dice like usual, an easy way to make your games brighter. And here's another gadget that combines different board games into a single compact body. The company calls it a PlayStation for board games. Pair your smartphone with the board, choose the game, and start playing. There's a mobile app for both Android and iOS where you'll see all the game instructions and info. The portable, colorful board is also provided with dice and smart figures. It'll immediately detect each move that players make and synchronize it with glowing lights. For additional controls, there are 5 buttons in each corner of the board. You can already find quite an impressive library there: RPG, card games, or musical ones. Every update makes the collection even bigger. Now you don't have to buy a whole new gaming set each time. You've probably expected to see something more than just a rolling ball, but you have to check this out. The idea of this game is fairly simple. It consists of magnets and gravitation. There are 25 different types of track pieces in the package. What kind of pathway will they go? It's up to you to decide. There are a few prepared patterns to begin with. The ball can jump, spin, or snake. The whole thing works easily with magnet-compatible metallic surfaces, but you're not limited to that. The kit includes small metal plates and reusable wall putties so you can stick your tracks to a regular wall. Corners are also no barrier. This game features unlimited possibilities for developing your imagination and creativity, no matter the age, alone or in company. Here's another great entertainment option for every company or family. These are the most compact gaming devices I've ever seen. Each of these cubes is full of sensors that help them interact with the others. Tilt, shake, press, or stick the cubes together while playing various types of games. Each set includes the base and 3 completely wireless cubes, but you can easily expand your game up to 12 cubes connected at a time. Thanks to the Bluetooth connection, you can also use them as controllers with consoles, PC, or Android devices. There's more. The cubes are even compatible with some VR headsets, so the gaming options are close to infinite and fit right in your pocket. Now let's move on to another gaming device that's also impressive and futuristic. It literally takes your board games to another level, the holographic one. The game board itself is just a plain square carpet that covers your tabletop, but as soon as you put these fancy glasses on, you enter a completely different world. All the characters and spectacular locations will come to life with advanced, vivid graphics. To control the magical worlds, you need an appropriate tool: a wand. What can be more intuitive and authentic for these types of games? Wi-Fi connection allows you to find partners for local or remote multiplayer anytime you like. Isn't that great? Here's a challenge for experienced puzzle solvers as well as beginners. This puzzle box consists of 9 puzzles, which aren't easy at all. What makes it really interesting that every puzzle requires different skills and approaches. You'll have to solve a cryptogram, a classic jigsaw puzzle, a riddle, and many others. All the mechanisms are hidden inside, so the box has a clean, minimalist look. This thing provides a good way to relax and clear your mind while also training your memory, patience, and problem-solving skills. It also should be really fun to team up with your friends and family. The box has some empty space inside, so it doubles as a very secure safe. If anyone wants to open it, they'll have to put in some effort. Wait, did we include a Rubik's Cube in this review? Yep, we did. But for a good reason, of course. This isn't just a regular Rubik's Cube that you tried to solve as a kid. I mean, I still can't do it. HeyCube is designed for people like me and many others who wish to learn solving the cube without any additional manuals or learning complicated algorithms. Although you can't see it, this cube is packed with all kinds of sensors and electronics. It detects all of your moves and gives some tips using sounds and LED lights. You don't have to stop to search for an answer or call a friend. Moreover, the cube is programmable so you can create your own games and patterns. This is a smart toy that also makes you smarter. And here's another great toy that'll become a perfect gift for any of your friends, no matter the age. Here, the fun part begins even before you start playing. You'll have to assemble the toy out of wooden pieces, wires, and other elements that must be extremely amusing, especially in good company. And when you're done with all the engineering stuff, you'll get an actual robotic arm and complete control over it. You can choose one of 3 sets of components that'll suit different games: manipulator caliper, excavator bucket, and magnetic crane. There are different kinds of activities and races like stacking towers of wooden cubes or transferring objects with the magnetic crane. All these are suitable for multiplayer mode, and some are perfectly good even for single player. Tony Stark would love this one. Or maybe he'd rather play this high-tech game. These little cars that you see are extremely similar to their big brothers. You'll find some really popular models there, like BMW E30 or Mercedes 190, just on a smaller scale. All the driving physics are recreated in the best possible way. These cars feature insane speed and acceleration along with drifting possibilities. You can virtually customize the vehicles in the mobile app and even change the engines to adapt for different tracks. The same app doubles as your remote control with real-time detailed info. The racing track is included in the package, but you can choose any suitable surface to have fun and compete with your friends. All the cars have a built-in sensor to detect the finish line. That'll certainly prevent a lot of arguments.